Assalamu alaikum guys, we are back with another video. Today we are going to talk about Vivo S1 Pro. Before the start of the video, I request you please subscribe my this channel and press the bell icon and check out my website and my other official channel. Links are in the description. So let's start this video. Being a Pro device, the Vivo has two high-end variants with 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM and 256 and 128GB internal storage respectively. Diving inside the Vivo S1 Pro, we find that the phone is powered by Snapdragon 675 SoC. On the other hand, the Vivo S1 comes with Helio P70 SoC. Snapdragon 675 is a powerful mid-ranger. Other than that, Vivo S1 Pro gets a 6.39 inches FHD plus Super AMOLED display with 2340 by 1080 pixels and an aspect ratio of 19:9. The smartphone also lacks any kind of notch and has slim bezels with screen to body ratio 91.64%. For optics, Vivo S1 Pro comes with a 32 megapixel selfie camera. The selfie camera is hidden behind the display and uses a pop-up mechanism similar to the regular S1. The back of the S1 Pro has a triple camera setup with the primary camera having 48 megapixel sensor. The other two cameras at the back have an 8 megapixel wide angle sensor and another 5 megapixel depth sensor. As far as pricing is concerned, Vivo has launched both the variants, the 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM, at the same price of CNY 2698. Vivo S1 Pro is backed by a decent 3700 mAh battery and uses micro USB port instead of Type-C for data transfer and charging. The phone comes with Android 9.0 Pie with FunTouch OS UI on the top and has multicolor options.